Munini wa President Kithure Kindiki Niwathuthya Silikali Sya Kaunti Kukwata Mbau Silikali Nene Nthini wa Milati ila Ikukilya Mathayu ma Mwenenthi Aineenea Umbanoni wa miongo na thanthatu wa Kuneenanisya Maundu ma Maendeeo ma Silikali Sya Kaunti na ila nene Ibec Kindiki Niwathingiliila Vata wa Ngwatanio wa Silikali Nikenda Kuikiithya Milati ila Itwaiiwe ni ya Kumutethya Mwenenthi otondo lina musangi yukulivoti ni kana Kindiki ingi ni wakathia matambia ala ukuweta Silikali tayendeye kana tayendesye makwailya Ikwate.
Onena Munini wa Musumbi nuwetie Vata wa Silikali ya Katene la mutio kwa kuthukuma simu amba nukenda kuikiithya uthukumi wa Silikali ya Katene wandeso kwa uweta kana Silikali Sya metio kwa taikwithya sio kwa tailovia kwa ivinda ila ya ile
levels of government to conduct their relations through mutual respect and through cooperation and consultation as opposed to conflict and confrontation. Make sure that counties receive the funds they require to be able to carry out their functions. We had anticipated to build some consensus on the county government's additional allocations bill or law. We didn't manage because the parliamentary leadership has been on recess.
Kindiki nuwetie kumana nanze ikwithya ikumbilitu ni muwa mawia Silikali tainengete wito kumamanzene nzima wia va Kenya kutumia mitandao kati wanze ingi kivathukanyo.
We are engaged in job creation and in job creation we are looking at creating jobs locally in the economy but also creating digital jobs, as well as providing avenues for labor mobility outside the country. Those are the three pillars of our job creation.
Watau Silikali niende kusovya miundo musingi kivathukanyo wenda infrastructure kumusovya wa malelu kuikiwa kwa mwaki wa stima maundu makoneti nziasi amekumuka niliotaundu kuelesya.
We are also investing seriously, and this calls for joint effort from both levels of government in support infrastructure that unlocks the potential of the value chains I have already identified. This support infrastructure is in the roads network, power, electricity net connectivity, ICT connectivity, both in terms of the backbone connectivity, but also in last mile connectivity and the establishment of ICT hubs. This support infrastructure also includes the establishment and operationalization of county aggregation and industrial parks, manufacturing and industries, and also this infrastructure involves the establishment and operationalization of special economic zones, as well as the markets, the economic stimulus markets.
Maundu makonete masomo Kindiki nuwetie kana masomo ma CBC ta Maendeeo na kwailua unduma na kuikilovya sauthe semanyise sya masomo mayulu
was being rolled out. There were some imperfections which we are working on to make sure the CBC program is perfect. And secondly, we are looking at the funding of higher education, the university funding model, to make sure that universities don't become bankrupt and that as many students as possible access higher education funding. Again, work in progress, teething problems, but it is such a transformative program that we are going to go out of our way, irrespective of the politics, to make sure that we improve higher education, tertiary education, the CBC, to make sure Kenya's education system is accessible to as many people as possible, it is affordable, it is relevant, and it is of high quality.
Goripoti ya vlingu wa mauvo nilina musangi.